let's talk about bullshit. So about how bullshit is supposed to work and why it doesn't and therefore remains bullshit. You are looking at a replica of a perpetual tilt slide as one of the YouTubers shows in his video. The device is nicely assembled and look, everything can move. Then he starts the process and the balls roll endlessly down the slidey. It should look as if the seesaw has enough power to lift the second ball with magical force and continue the process, and it looks good. But it's just a trick with the film editing. Take a look how he wiggles around for no reason while sitting still. But don't tell the viewers. That's bad for the YouTube clicks. If you replicate the device, don't be surprised if the effect looks more like this. You would then have to apply the magical energy with your magical hand. So don't believe all the bullshit on YouTube, except of course mine. Hope to see you on my channel again soon. Thanks for watching.
Why?